Did you ever feel stuck in your business, in your job, in your profession? Maybe sometimes you will be thinking like this, "Ki, why am I not growing? What is happening in my business? Why my business is not growing? Why am I not able to satisfy my customer? Yeah, why am I not able to develop ideal customer and ideal product?" You have a multiple questions, but today in this video I'm gonna give you something which is really help you to grow, help you to do better in your professions. So hello friend, this is Surya, motivational speaker, Lawofattraction coach, and Hooponopono healer. And my today topic is how to become unstoppable. That's right, how to become unstoppable. Do you really want to become unstoppable? Unstoppable means what? Unstoppable means that how can you grow in your particular field, in your particular profession? Because everybody wants to success in their life, everybody wants growth in their life, but what is the something which is really pulling them back? What is obstacles and setbacks which is really not let them grow? So today I would like to share two things which you have to stop doing and two things which you have to start doing. Stop doing, start doing. You remember that. So first thing you have to stop doing is that don't follow unsuccessful people. It means you go and check with whom you are spending your time. If you are spending time with the people who is talking unnecessary about politics, who is talking unnecessary about out of country and out of your topic, so that types of people are always the reason of killing your time, reason of stealing your potential, and they don't let you grow in your life. You remember that. And what is the second thing? You check all the poor person qualities and habit which you have. What can poor person quality have? First, they don't like to read the book. They don't like to enhance their ability, enhance their skill. They don't like to associate with the good people. They don't like to talk about potential conversation. They don't like to interact with the people to whom they can learn something. They can improve their self. They can improve their skill. They don't talk like this. If you have these two qualities, so let me tell you, as soon as you leave it, you give it up, you give it up, you quit it as soon as it may be possible. Trust me, as soon as it may be possible, you just quit it, because these habit will always kill your potential. These habit will never let you grow, will never let you think differently, will never let you make plan. And what is the two thing which you have to start doing? Two things. First, you make all the good people habit. What will be the good people habit? You know what? Most successful people, they are lower success or upper success. I'm talking entire successful people. They have one good habit. One good habit. After that, I will discuss about more good habit. But first, they love reading book. You will be thinking that why do I read book? Is it necessary to read book? And what is going to get from the reading book? Yeah, friends, you may be thinking, but let me tell you, if you read the book, so somewhere you are improving yourself. How? You are improving yourself head to heart. Head to heart. Why? Because if you really don't know what is missing in my business, if you really don't know what the quality is missing in me, if you read the book, you will find it out. Because book is not just a book. Book is the best teacher. It can be best mirror which can show you what is the weakness in you, which you where you have to work and what you have to improve. This is the reason that I say and I recommend everybody read the book. And what is the second thing you have to do? Second habit: listen the tape. Tape means what? Today there is no tape. Today we are living in the generation of social media. So there are so many platforms where we can go and learn. Suppose if I say YouTube is one of the best platform through which you can learn so many things. First, you go and listen very successful podcast, because at this time you can find to listen about Bill Gates, you can find to listen about Jeff Bezos, you can listen about Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg. There are so many successful people. And if you go and watch them, so they will definitely tell you some ideas because of which they got success, because of which they are where they are. So you hear them, you watch them. Why? Because if you watch them, you will definitely gonna learn something really amazing. So you remember it. And third habits of successful people: they associate with right people, right mindset people, right and empowering belief types of people. And we are not living such types of people. So we have to change our association. We have to change our we have to change our friend circle. We have to change our interaction, because where we are wasting our time. So this is the first habit. And what is the second habit of all the successful people? What is the second habit of all the successful people? All the successful people, The second habit, which really mind blowing, which can really change your entire scenario of life, actually, they work on their job, they work on their dreams. They don't interact too much. They make a plan. They keep thinking. Strategize. मतलब रणनीति. They are making a strategy of their business. If they are strategize their business, so they are getting idea. What am I missing? How do I improve it? How do I fix it? And then they keep doing, and they get success, and they reach where they are where they want to reach in their life. So you remember this, all these habits which you have to start doing today can make you successful, can give you unstoppable spirit, can give you unstoppable speed, can give you unstoppable thinking, beliefs, and action, and that can make everything possible. So you keep it in your mind, and you can enjoy your life. Thank you so much.